All of us are seeing a rise in auto insurance rates this year. Even rates for safe drivers are going up. And not surprisingly, people are starting to wonder why. Fox 55's Stephen Walker spoke with an expert to find out and to help you find ways to save money.
8 years without an accident, and Isaac Geiger's auto insurance rates keep going up. The same is true for a lot of people throughout the country. Already worried about high inflation, Geiger wants to know where his money's going.
I think too, coming out of COVID, any money is going to help the economy, and we're trying to get back on track. And so when they raise insurance rates, that's money out of everyone's pocket that could be put back into the economy. And so it does kind of raise questions about why.
Insurance Information Institute spokesperson Scott Holman says a major reason for rising rates is actually quite simple.
Since the pandemic, several things have changed. People are driving more. They're getting into more accidents. They're getting into more accidents that cost more money. So the severity is rising.
That increase in accidents leads to an increase in insurance companies' loss ratio, which is a ratio of money paid out to settle claims to money earned from customers. So the higher the loss ratio, the less the insurance companies earn, hence the rising cost to cover those expenses. But for drivers who have never been in an accident like Geiger, those rising costs hurt future plans.
Especially being 24 years old, there's a lot of things that you're trying to buy a house, you're trying to get new jobs, and so it's not easy when you get raising insurance costs as well.
Other factors for rising costs include supply chain issues affecting the ability to get parts and newer, safer cars needing more expensive parts. To try and combat rising costs, Holman suggests shopping around and finding the balance between the best price and the best coverage for you, and looking for policies with safe driving rewards.
Having a good discussion with your insurance professional to understand what you have and what you need to protect is always a good idea to make sure you have the right coverage.
In Fort Wayne, Stephen Walker, Fox 55 News.
And Holman also suggests reevaluating your insurance needs once a year to make sure you're not overpaying or underinsured.